Okay, so pardon the interruption there. So you can see that tan of D, cosine of D, and sine of D, sine of 30 degrees, and even though the triangles are different sizes, they end up being the same ratio. That's the power of trigonometry. So we can use this to solve problems. If we go down to this one here, if we have a problem where you have a 20-degree right triangle, and we're trying to find the length of the hypotenuse. Well, which ratio are we going to use? Sine, cosine, or tangent? Well, there's this helpful thing called SOHCAHTOA. And SOHCAHTOA stands for sine, opposite over hypotenuse, cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent, opposite over adjacent. So we have the opposite leg divided by the hypotenuse, and that is going to be sine. And so sine of 20 degrees is going to be equal to the opposite leg, which is 410, divided by the hypotenuse, which is x. Because remember, sine is the ratio of two sides of a right triangle. So if I put in sine of 20 into my calculator, I will get 0.342 equals 410 over x. And 0.342 is the ratio of two sides of this triangle. So now what I can do is solve for x. What I recommend doing is just multiply both sides by x, and that x will cancel, and we'll get 410, and that'll be 0.342x. And then just divide both sides by 0.342, and x will equal about 1,198.8 feet. Okay, that concludes 12.1 notes, part 1.